Sumo Day or Sumo Week recommendation one, Letterly. You need to get Letterly. Why? Letterly is a dictation app, it is a repurposing app, and it is something that I think is just super to have in your tech stack. Now, why? Because you can run it on your desktop, you can run it on your mobile device, and you can use it for notes, you can use it for ideation. It's super simple. I mean, it's one of these apps that I really like because it's built to do one thing and it does it really well. It's not trying to do 101 different things. But let me show you how it works. Now, of course, it's Sumo Week. Um, I'm helping you decide what I have bought in the past, which is returned on Sumo Week. And Letterly is one. There is a link in the description if you can use it using my link that helps support this channel. So let me just go in and start a screen share here. And I'll show you exactly how Letterly works. So here it tells me everything that I've done on the previous number of days. So let me just record something here. Now I have write note, upload audio, but let me just start recording. Hopefully my sound will stay here as well. So this is a recording of me doing a recording of Letterly. So it's kind of like Inception, a dream within a dream within a dream. But what this does is this allows me to dictate my notes, tell you about the app, and then it will transcribe it. And it does a very good job of transcribing it. And then I can do various things with it. Now, if there's two speakers, I can go into multi-speaker mode. You'll see that I get 90 minutes of recording, which is plenty. And when I'm finished, I simply just click on the red button here to stop, and it will now go and transcribe what I said. I've used this on the Mac. I've used this on my iPhone, and it's really, really good. Okay. So it's kind of like Inception, a dream within a dream. Okay. Now, this is great. It's taking my notes, it's done the dictation. But what I can do is I can rewrite and I can say use magic. And magic is that the system itself looks to see what is the best way to rewrite this. And it chooses what it thinks is the best way to do it. Okay, this is recording me doing recording that. It's kind of Inception, a dream within a dream. Yeah, okay, so that's not bad. But what if I say I want to rewrite this and I want to do a review? And let's just see what it actually does with that. Now, each revision that I do, um, actually, sorry, this prompt is a prompt that I created myself. So it was wrong. So let's just go back to rewrite. And this time I'll choose something else. I'll say I want this to be made into a list because sometimes I do that. I create a list and I will actually have it here. Okay. This recording, it puts what it believes are the main points. But of course, I can do more. I can do a LinkedIn post and it goes through all of these different systems. And I want to tell you about prompts because I want to show you the prompt that I have. Okay, now look at this. Okay, that is a pretty good. Okay, there's too many emojis there, but that is a good start for an actual um, LinkedIn post that I could create. And I can go back and I can see all of the different repurposing that I've done. Now, when I go to rewrite here, I can do a formal email as well, just to show you some of the capabilities. And then I'll show you the prompt here. Okay, dear pup. Okay. Okay, so it's taken my core um, pieces of information that I put in and it's actually written that email. But what you can do is if I go into rewrite and I say create new, I can actually create a new prompt. So I can call this AppSumo review. Okay, as an experienced reviewer, you will write a review with the highlights and lowlights and make it fun and interesting. with a CTA. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. Okay, sometimes it works well. Sometimes, again, like all AI prompts, you have to go in and you have to prompt it again and again and again. Okay, review of Letterly. Ever want to feel like you're starting your own Christopher Nolan? And a touch of existential fun. For your thoughts, recording your voice, transcribing, and letting you dive deeper. Okay, multi-speaker mode, limited features for power users. Okay, okay, it's it's taking little bit of liberty there, I think, in what I did. But again, it gives me a good basis for me to actually use this and to start using it very, very quickly without having to actually think too much. So, like all of these, like all of these apps and these AIs, I think we need to use it as something as a basis. I mean, it's not going to be maybe it will be perfect for you, but maybe you'll say, "Boof, no, I need to add more to it." So, like any AI, use it as the basis for you to actually start um, looking at it and deciding which one you want to have there. Okay. So, what do I think? I think it's definitely worth grabbing this. And I think now here's something curious that I need to talk to the development team about. Because as you can see on Letterly here, I have my current plan as lifetime. But when I actually go into the system on the web, because it also has a web app that you can use, um, it actually tells me that I don't have the pro plan. So I'm going to just check that with them because it's a little bit strange that it says that I do have the pro plan and then it says that I don't. And I'm just checking 25.2. Yeah, so everything is perfect. So I'm going to check that. But Letterly is definitely good. It's on Sumo Day. It is definitely worth putting into your tech stack. It's a once-off purchase, and it will pay itself back very, very quickly if you like to write a lot. And I mean, you should I say, if you write a lot but don't want to write a lot, you can do that. All right. Have a wonderful day and keep an eye out for the other videos that I will be sharing this week.